The universe is a vast and empty place. Despite the seemingly endless number of galaxies, we appear to be completely alone in the universe. But where is everyone? Shouldn't there be more civilizations out there? Should we be looking? And what if we are truly alone? What's next for humanity? The more we investigate the stars, the more we learn about our place in the universe. Our planet appears to be perfectly suitable to host life, but this is just one form of life. There could be many ways life could present itself, some looking completely different from our own, some seemingly impossible. Will we ever find our cosmic neighbors, or are we destined to be alone in the universe? What if there was something that prevented civilizations from ever reaching the stage where they had the capability to reach out into the stars? This is the question that one of the greatest minds in the scientific community asked while at a conference with other great minds at the time. Enrico Fermi, born on 29th of September 1901, was one of the greatest physicists of the time, along the likes of Albert Einstein. It was while at a conference with other leaders in the scientific community that he suddenly asked the question, "Where is everyone?" This immediately sparked up debate, and thus the Fermi Paradox was born. The Fermi Paradox is the contradiction between the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial life and the various estimates stating how common life should be. There should be millions, if not billions, of different civilizations in the universe. Yet evidence suggests that we are alone. The Great Filter was an idea born in the discussion of the Fermi Paradox. It states that there is something that prevents life from reaching the stage of intelligence or becoming a spacefaring civilization. There are many things that could constitute as a great filter. An extinction level event or something of the sort could be the cause. The Earth alone has had many extinction level events. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was one such event. Of course, there are other ways that such an event can happen. With the advent of nuclear warfare, we have come close several times to causing our own extinction. It is believed that it is because of one of these such events that we have not found our cosmic neighbors. Maybe we haven't hit the great filter yet, and have yet to face ours. Maybe there is life out there, but this life is one of the great filters. These could be a single alien species or a whole civilization that hunts and preys on weaker and upcoming civilizations. They could wait in the shadows, watching their prey, waiting until they can get to a certain technological advancement. They could completely wipe out said civilization and take all their resources, or they could assimilate them into their own. The Drake equation was first proposed in 1961. It is used to try and calculate the number of active civilizations. This is what the Drake equation looks like. Don't ask me to read it out. I honestly have no idea how, but that's not important. However, this is the equation that has had many scientists trying to solve. This is what all the variables mean. N equals the number of civilizations in our galaxy with which communication might be possible. R asterisk equals the average rate of star formation in our galaxy. Fp equals the fraction of those stars that have planets. Ne equals the average number of planets that could potentially support life per star that has planets. Fl equals the fraction of planets that could support life that actually develop life at some point. Fi equals the fraction of planets that life would actually go on to develop intelligent life. Fc equals the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology that releases detectable signs of their existence into space. L equals the length of time for which civilizations release detectable signals into space. This equation is incredibly hard to solve as we only have a sample size of 1. But despite this, some estimates put the number of intelligent civilizations in the millions. The Roswell Incident took place in 1947 in Roswell, New Mexico. According to the U.S. Army, the incident was just a recovery of a weather balloon. But this didn't stop conspiracy theories from forming and spreading throughout the country. Popular conspiracies would have you believe that the object that the Army recovered was not a weather balloon, but instead a recovered flying saucer. Some accounts even assert that an alien body was recovered among the wreckage. They believe that this flying saucer and subsequent alien was taken to a nearby airbase known as Area 51. The U.S. State Department has denied any flying saucers or aliens were ever on the base, and that the base was just a testing facility for prototypes. But those who believe in conspiracies say that of course they would deny these claims, because to admit it would cause panic and destabilize the control the government has. In recent years, several videos and documents would be released. These show what appear to be spacecraft flying in close proximity to jets that belong to U.S. Air Force. Believers in aliens say that these videos and documents prove the existence of extraterrestrial life. There is more to discuss on this subject, and I implore you to look deeper into the topic. It will lead you down a rabbit hole that seems to have no end. There are many twists and turns that will leave you scratching your heads and wanting to know more. This is a topic that has many people, including myself, searching for the truth. Will we ever find our cosmic neighbors? Should we even try? If you ask me, I would say yes. This is because if we do find them, then our chances of becoming a galaxy-faring civilization goes up significantly. Unless, of course, our neighbors are a predatory species. If that's the case, then we better be prepared, because if not, then we can say goodbye to ever reaching another star. Despite this, one can't deny the day that life is discovered on another planet, whether it be in our own solar system or in a distant galaxy. This will be the greatest day in human history. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. I would really appreciate it. It really means a lot. Also, I would like to apologize if I mispronounce any words. I have a speech impediment that makes it hard to say certain sounds. So if you could bear with me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you and have a good day.